Hello. Just went to Staples. I printed off some stuff for a customer order last night. So now I'm headed home. I have to make a shirt. Then I'm going to the post office because I got to mail out at least 2 orders tonight are getting shipped out tonight. So. Hey everybody. I got a parcel today. So this is a product that I've had customized and manufactured for me. So I'm gonna open up that for you right now. This is a new Jim Batts product. So the theme is vintage horror movie. Let's take a look at the actual product. See what we're looking at here. Woohoo! Look at that. But on the side, it's got my Jim Batts logo. Not too shabby. I love that. Very, very pleased with that. Probably just see it that well there. How cool is that, dude? My first custom headphones. Bluetooth headphones. So, I'm gonna have 4 of them for sale tonight. And if it does well, I will make this a regular product on my website. So, hope you guys like it. It's like in a little vintage box. Vintage Halloween box. I find it looks almost like 80s style. But, yeah, pretty happy with it.